First, make sure the cup holders are installed on your seat. They must be installed for use. For a rear-facing install, store the top tether on the back of the seat so it stays out of the way. Press the red buttons and pull the lower anchor connectors out from storage on both sides. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle's back seat, positioning it between the lower latch anchors. If you are using the Extend2Fit legroom panel, squeeze the handle at the front and extend it to one of the 4 positions. Use the sticker on the side as a guide and ensure the base does not extend past the indicated line. Adjust the recline using the recline handle on the base and lock it into a rear-facing position. With your vehicle parked on level ground, check the level indicator. The bubble should sit fully under the correct blue line. Use the light blue line for babies 3 months and under, and either the light or dark blue line for babies over 3 months. For an easier install, press the gray button and extend the latch strap all the way before tightening. Attach the latch connectors to your vehicle's lower anchors, making sure the strap stays flat and untwisted, and that the connectors are facing the correct direction, with the hook opening facing downward. Press down firmly in the center of the seat while tightening the strap. Grab the seat at the belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. Recheck the level indicator to make sure it's still within the allowed range. Latch installation is approved up to 45 pounds. After that, switch to a seatbelt installation. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.